Okay, this is going to be a video on how to use SAVVAS and the fraction calculator to complete area of volume problems. As you can see, the problem is in the screen. It's volume equals length times width times height. So I'm going to do 6 times 1.5 times 4.5. I'm going to use the Math Papa fraction calculator. And my numbers were 6. The multiplication sign is shift 8, that little asterisk. Okay. And I believe it was 4.5. So I'm going to hit 4 space 1. The fraction bar is below the question mark. So I just hit that. 2. And then I got to click here to get my cursor to be back up there again. Shift 8 means multiply, and I believe the other number was 1.5, so 1 space 1, oops, and then the fraction bar, again, which was below the question mark, 2, and I calculate, and I get an answer of 40.5. Now we could have done that as a decimal as well, and got 40.5. 6 times 4.5 times 1.5 would have given us 40.5. The problem with that is this is a fraction problem, so SAVVAS is expecting a fraction answer. So we click in that bar where the answer is going to go, and we come down, and this is my mixed number button. So I hit the mixed number button, and you see where the whole number goes. That's where the 40 gets typed. I click up top, my 1. I click down to the bottom. I get 2. And it is to the third power. Check answer. Nice work. And go on. Next question. Let's see if I can. This one is a decimal problem. So I can basically use my normal calculator for this. This one will be done in decimals, but again, volume is length times width times height. So I'm going to 2.5 times 2.5 times 2.5, and I get an answer of 15.625. 15.625. Again, volume to the third power. Trying to get us to another fraction one. And here we go to another fraction one. It's going to be 6 times 1.5 times 2 3/4. So I'm going to go to my fraction calculator tab that I already have opened. And the 6 times is already there. We're going to do 6 again. Now, 1 space 1. The fraction bar is below the question mark. 2. I have to click there to get my cursor back where it's supposed to belong. The multiplication sign is shift 8. And then I believe that was 2 space bar 3/4. So 3, the question mark key, the fraction bar is right there. 4, calculate, and we get 24 3/4. So I'm going to go back to SAVVAS. Again, I'm going to click in the box, come down to my mixed number box, and it's going to be 24. Click in the numerator box, 3. Click in the denominator box, 4. Yards to the third power. Check. And that is it. So that's the first 3 questions there. And that is how you would use an input, how you use the fraction calculator and input mixed numbers into SAVVAS. So that'll be the end of my video.